This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Studio on Mac. First, download the Zen Studio application directly from the official developer website. Once downloaded, simply drag the Zen Studio icon into your Mac's Applications folder to complete the installation. This ensures all necessary files are correctly placed. Make sure your operating system is up to date, ideally running macOS version 10.13 or later for the best experience. Next, connect your Zen device to your Mac using the short, provided micro USB programming cable. Plug the small end into the Zen's rear port and the standard USB end into an available port on your Mac. The Zen device's display should then show Zen Studio, confirming a successful connection. Within the Zen Studio application, you will also see the device status update, indicating it is ready for use. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Zen Studio interface. On the left, the device monitor panel displays crucial information about your connected Zen, like battery life and loaded slots. The compiler tab lets you write or edit scripts, while the programmer tab allows you to drag, drop, and flash scripts directly to your device. The GPC library offers hundreds of community-made scripts, ready for immediate use. Loading scripts onto your Zen device is straightforward. Navigate to the Programmer tab, then simply drag your chosen script from the GPC library or your local files into one of the available device slots. You can then adjust specific script parameters or button layouts to suit your preferences. Remember to save your custom configurations as a device profile, ensuring all your settings are easily accessible for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.